My friends, making animated videos usually sounds fun until you actually start. You need to plan the story, build the visuals, add sound, and somehow turn everything into a finished video. And for most people, that is already too much before the first video is even finished. My name is Daniel, and today we are looking at Anijam, an AI animation platform that works more like a creative agent. You describe the idea, choose the direction, and the tool helps turn it into an animated video. And the big thing here is that Anijam is available with a freemium model. New users get 500 credits after signing up. You can also get 100 credits from daily check-in, so it is easy to start testing animated video creation right away. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Alright, let's start. Folks, Anijam is an AI agent for animated content creation. The easiest way to explain it is this. It is like the ChatGPT of animation. Instead of jumping between separate tools for writing, storyboarding, character design, and lip sync, you can just chat with Anijam. The agent guides the whole process, from your initial idea all the way to the final video. The platform covers the full production pipeline and prepares the final video output. That is the main difference compared to a normal video editor. Anijam is not just a place where you manually arrange clips. It is more like a production assistant that understands the idea and helps build the video step by step. And mates, this is especially useful for creators. Whether you're making animated shorts, faceless videos, or story-based content for social media, you get all of that without ever having to deal with complex animation software. Folks, the workflow starts right from the main dashboard. Here, I can explore existing examples or type my own animation idea into the AI agent. And right away we can also see that there is a mobile version. The main walkthrough here is on desktop, because it is easier to show the full process, but you can also use this workflow on a mobile browser. And if you are on iOS, there is an app too, so you can start creating from your phone. For the concept, I am using a short story about a tiny robot delivering coffee in a futuristic city. I describe the idea in normal language, and the agent immediately starts turning it into a project. So instead of opening separate tools for writing, planning, and animation, everything starts from one simple chat prompt. My friends, after I enter the idea, the platform suggests the basic project settings. Here I can set up the audience, platform, and other project details. Then the tool starts shaping the story through a conversation. It asks what direction I want to take, and I choose a dialogue-driven approach. From there, the AI keeps asking creative questions about the main character, the story arc, and the ending. Once the direction feels right, I approve it and let the agent move forward. This is where the project starts becoming a real production structure. The platform creates a story outline, breaks the short into scenes, and shows what happens in each part. Mates, so the idea is no longer just a prompt. Now we have a small animated story with a beginning, a few obstacles, and the final payoff. Next, the workflow moves into style design. I choose a cyberpunk illustration style, and after that, the system creates concept art for the character, objects, and locations. We can see the robot, the coffee cup, and the charging station, plus the neon alley and other visual pieces that support the scenes. And this is where the process starts to feel connected. The tool moves from idea to project settings, to story outline, to style, and then into concept art for the animated world. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Folks, once the concept art is ready, the platform prepares the actual video segments. The story is divided into 5 parts, and the system uses the concept images as visual references for the animation. In this case, the segments are generated with Seedance 2.0, so the visual assets are connected directly to the motion stage. Then the workflow moves into audio. I can choose a voice for the narration, preview it, and confirm it for the project. After that, I also select background music, so the short has both narration and atmosphere before the final preview is assembled. Finally, everything comes together in a timeline. We can see the full 45-second episode with 5 video clips, narration tracks, background music, and multiple layers.
In a rain-soaked neon alley, a tiny robot blinks to life. Its mission? Deliver 1 cup of coffee. Through bustling streets and towering dangers, Cup wobbles determinedly on.
As you can see, the project has moved from one simple idea to a structured animated video that is ready for final review and export. After the first version is ready, I can keep working with the agent instead of starting from scratch. Here I ask it to make the main character more expressive and give the final scene a clearer reaction. The useful part is that the agent does not just answer with general advice. It uses the current outline to update the story direction and show a new preview that reflects the changes.
Skytrain roars past with a violent gust of wind, and the Cup protectively shields its warm coffee with its own tiny body. The coffee arrives. A gentle pat. Happy beep.
Then I can continue with another quick instruction, like keeping the same character but making the ending faster and more punchy.
The coffee arrives. A gentle pat. Happy beep.
So the workflow feels more like directing the animated short step by step, not just generating one version and accepting it as final. My friends, and that is the main point of this workflow. You are not manually building every part from scratch. You are chatting with an AI agent, choosing the creative direction, reviewing each stage, and letting the platform handle most of the production work. So guys, is Anijam worth trying? I think the main value is that it removes a lot of friction from animation work. You don't have to plan every scene manually or jump between a bunch of different tools. Just guide the project through a conversation and let the agent handle most of the heavy lifting. For creators, this makes it easier to produce visual content for different formats, from story-driven videos to quick social media ideas. You still need to check the final result, adjust the direction if needed, and make sure the video matches your style. But the starting process becomes much easier. Mates, if you want to try AI animation with a chat-based workflow, check the link in the description and see what you can create with Anijam. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.